this is how you apply for a certificate of compliance from unemployment that is needed for when you are applying for your workforce training funds grants. So when you log into your UI account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. It's very easy to find what you need from here. You just go under additional services. Under additional services, you're going to scroll down to compliance. And it says right here, request a certificate of compliance. This is exactly the document that you need. These documents are good for 1 month. So each time, it's nice that they make it nice and easy so that each time that you need to get one, you'll be able to get it within the next 15, 20 minutes. You'll have it already. So it's just going to ask information that you need, confirming that your legal name that they have for you is correct. You click next, and they want to know the certificate details. And here they do show you that you would be certified as of the date that you're applying for it, and it would expire within the next month. There's a drop down that asks you what you are requesting this document for. And here we would select Commonwealth Corp for any of those Workforce Grant Training Fund applications. Select next. And it's as easy as this. You just want to confirm your submission. As soon as you do that, it says success, you've done it. You can go ahead and return to the home page and click View Letters on the correspondence letter, and you will see the letter is already posted right there. You will receive one in the mail as well, but thankfully you don't have to wait for snail mail in order to get what you need. So what I'm going to do is go back to my correspondence. Again, this brought me right back to my dashboard. Under correspondence, you will click on View Letters. And there's the letter that I just requested here. And when you open that, you can go ahead and there's your letter right there. So in order to print this, if I remember correctly, up at the very top, it says print letter. There are a couple extra pages to it, but I just always go ahead and print all. And then you can go ahead and download it, save it, or print it off as you need.